how to log in TransferWise account. So let's see in this video. Before starting, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After opening up, you need to click on the search bar and search for wise.com. Soon after searching, you'll be taken to the web page of TransferWise. So in order to log into your account, you have to click on the login option in the right upper section. And after that, you will be opened up with this text box in your screen. In this first text box, you need to enter your email address, and similarly in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your TransferWise account. After entering, you have to go for login option. If you got trouble in logging in, then you can go for trouble logging in option. They will help you to log into your account. And if you want to log in with your Google, Facebook or Apple, then you can also select this option. It will be easy for you to log into your account. So by following this step, you can log in TransferWise account. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.